We have our good friend Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission with us this morning. Now, for the month of September, it's breakfast month, and we're starting off strong with these breakfast quiche cups. So, Charlene, good morning, first of all, and tell me about this recipe we're making today.
All right. Well, the Kansas Soybean Commission has a great recipe that really you can grab and go, and you know that's great for kids as you're heading out the door, really for any of us. But it would also make a great entree for dinner because it's such a fun, easy recipe. The first thing I did was make this dough, and I'll let you tell what was in that dough.
Yes, so it's 2 cups of the baking mix, a half a cup of cornmeal, half a cup of margarine, and 7 tablespoons of soy milk. So lots of great soy ingredients in there. It is,
and it makes this really nice dough.
And then in there nicely.
Yes, and just push it in there. Grease the muffin tin first, and then just push it in there to shape it. But I love this dough. It's nice and soft to do that. And then what we're going to do is put in each one, and I'm going to give you a spoon to let you help me. You can start putting those in there. We have ground sausage that I've already cooked and crumbled, and we're just going to fill them. Now, we would have this totally full because it makes 12 of them. But I thought to save time here, we will just do a little bit and show everybody what they look like. The red bell pepper really adds, there's some green onion. I'll let you do that next. And then we also have a little bit of Mexican cheese that'll add a little bit. So we've got all the things for a quiche. And you know, the great thing about this, if you have some other vegetables from your garden that you want to do, go ahead and add those. You could easily do that. All right, we've got that all there. Isn't that nice and colorful? Now we're going to do the liquid mixture that goes on there. I have 1 egg, and I'm going to have you add a half a cup of, we have half and half cream. A lot of halves in there, I was trying to say. And then we have a half a cup of plain soy milk. And then a little bit of salt and pepper, and then a little bit of cayenne or red pepper. And we're going to just mix this with 1 egg that I already put in there. And if you mix it like I did in a measuring cup, this makes it really easy then, because you're going to pour this on top of this. And just put, I won't do it all today, but just pour it until it gets to the top and that it fills it up. And so you don't want to fill it too full, but there, see how you can see that?
Perfect.
And you're going to put this in the oven, and you're going to bake it, and I believe it's at 400. Is it 400 or 370?
It's 375.
There we go. All right. Bake it at 375 for about 25 minutes, but you'll want to use a knife to stick in there and make sure that comes out clean and that egg mixture is all set. Let it set for just a few minutes when it comes out of the oven, and then take it out, and you have delicious breakfast cups.
Yes, wonderful. Well, Charlene, if people want to find this fantastic breakfast recipe, where can they do so?
Yes, go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. Call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll send you all the recipes for September.
All right, Charlene, as always, thank you so much. Happy to have you. We'll be right back.